Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jayyduty here, and I'm back with another video. Now, if you a person who struggle with women, you like, man, how do I really get to know women? How do I get what I want out of them? Like, you really want to have intercourse with a girl. I get it, bro. You think it's so hard, but it's really so easy, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, my nigga. I was so bored on TikTok, and I came across this ad that was talking about a dating app, right? Now, when I came across this dating app, I'm like, I'm about to see what I'm capable of. I'm about to see how much can I do on a dating app. Like, how much women can I pull? Bro, I got on a dating app, right? And oh my God, tons of women trying to call me, asking me where I'm from. Like, they wanting to get to know me. They want to take me out. Like, it's so crazy, and I can't make this up. Hold on, let me. Where's my other phone at? Because this is insane. But then, y'all, like, I also tested what I'm capable of. So you probably a dude that want to get to know women, but you're so lustful, and that's the thing that lose women. That's the thing that makes women like, okay, he lost me. I don't want him. I don't want anything to do with him. Because you gotta understand, when you come off as lustful, that's when women is instantly turned off. But you think, nah, Jayyduty, I'm talking sexual to her. I'm telling her she's beautiful. I want to get to know her. I want to take her out. But every dude is saying that. Every dude wants to get to know her. Every dude is telling her she's beautiful. Say something else. Don't come off as lustful. Don't come off as desperate. This is why the women I was talking to on the dating app, they really wanted to get to know me, because I came off as this mystery dude. I didn't come off as just lustful. Now, when I did come off as lustful, because I'm like, hold on. Let me test it. You get what I'm saying? When I did come off as lustful, look what she said. A girl said this. Okay, I said, hello, pretty. I slid up on her. I was like, hello, pretty. Usually, I don't even slide up on females like that, bro. She said, well, hey, somebody got manners. I like that already. I was like, laughing out loud, what you doing? She was like, just laying in bed, can't sleep. What about you? And I was like, let me lay with you. And I'm just laying down. She said, laughing my ass off. Slow down there, buddy. We just met. But same though. Can't sleep. Nights hit different. Now, you probably like, well, Jayyduty, did she kind of like curve you? No. I mean, kind of. But the reason why she said it like that, because women, they don't like lustful dudes. You may think women is all about lust, but listen, women lust over dudes who don't care about lust. I promise you, just do it, bro. Stop being lustful. Stop coming off as lustful. See, sometimes you can get away with that with some women, but not all women operates like that, bro. Just have a normal conversation with them. Talk to them. You can just talk to them. Try to get to know them, because 9 times out of 10, they want to get to know you. But when you make the relationship or the conversation all about lust, this is where you lose them. This is where they oh, he's just like every other dude. You get what I'm saying? Why should I take him seriously when he won't what every other dude won't? You get what I'm saying? So, y'all, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I just been I ain't gonna lie to you. Sometimes a nigga is lustful as hell, my nigga. When it comes to women, a nigga is lustful. But then it's the women who have self-worth and the women who have self-respect, I learn from them. Because it's I don't want to play this manipulation game oh yeah, I don't want this, or I'm not all about lust, but it be working. When I don't care about lust, they lust over me even more. When I don't give a fuck about being lustful, they lust even more. They want you even more when you don't care. I swear to God. When you don't care, they want you even more. You get what I'm saying, my nigga? So yeah, bro, stop being lustful. Have a genuine conversation with them. Just talk to them. Tell them how they day been, what's your favorite music to listen to, what's your hobbies, try to get to know them, because 9 times out of 10 they want to know you, bro. Promise you, it's not that hard to pull women. It's not that hard to have intercourse with women. I used to think growing up, man, bro, it's really that hard, bro. I don't know how dudes be, just effing every other girl, and they do it so effortlessly. How? That's because them Tyrone and Chad dudes, they don't care about them. They keep it smooth. You get what I'm saying? They don't care. They not all about lust. They not texting her, good morning, beautiful, and all. Hell no, nigga. They keep it simple. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. What you doing today? I'm just whoopty whoop. And then they'll let them have control of the conversation. What you gotta understand, a man that don't give a fuck, bro, he's not trying to be controlling. He's not trying to control the situation. Or he not trying to like, oh, what you doing? What you been up to? Can I take you out? He ain't on that type of shit, nigga. That shit comes naturally. You get what I'm saying? Like just try to get to know that person, right? And that's just what I've been on lately, bro. I'm starting to understand what women looking for. You get what I'm saying? Like I'm starting to understand like how to come about women, bro. Like I'm not that type of lustful dude anymore, for real. But sometimes I comes off as lustful. And then I'm like, okay, wait, Jay, remember, you got to lock in now. You get what I'm saying? Like, you got to lock in, my nigga. It's not all about lust. So then I put my lust to the side. Because then, bro, like, I ain't gonna lie to you, my nigga. It was this one girl who was showing me the boobs on FaceTime. The bitch was just showing me the pussy. She was butt naked, gang. You get what I'm saying, my nigga? So, you know, me looking at it in that perspective, that made me treat the next women like that. You get what I'm saying? I was like, wait, Jayyduty. Not all the girls like the same. You get what I'm saying, my nigga? Not like, yeah, all the girls the same and shit like that, but some of them operate differently. Like, some of them you gonna have to just, like, I don't know, because it may sound evil. It may sound like I'm trying to manipulate them, but put your lust to the side and actually get to know them. They not sex objects, bro. And sometimes I'll be catching myself doing that. Like, I'll be wanting to look at a girl so damn lustful. Like, damn, like, where you from? Let me come. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, I'll be wanting to look at females lustful like that, but then it's like, wait, that's not okay, because it's like, at the end of the day, they humans just like me. They just fucking beings. You don't have to be overly obsessed with lust. You get what I'm saying? It's like you so lustful that it becomes a turnoff. And this is, and I get it, bro. I get it. And it kind of gives me the ick, because it's like, lustful men give women the ick. I promise you that, bro. I promise you that, bro. It gives them the ick. Like, how can you carry yourself like this? Like, it don't even matter who you are, where you from, how much money you have. If you start the conversation by just, if your first thought in the conversation is lustful, bro, she's not going to really take you seriously, bro. Like, I promise you, she's not going to really want to conversate with you. She's going to, like, think, like, oh, whoa, he's just like every other dude. Like, and you got to understand, you probably attractive, or you probably do make a lot of money and stuff like that. They first thought, okay, I can get to know him, and I can, bro, first of all, my nigga, they are lustful. First of all, my nigga, they want to fuck you. They want to get to know you. They want to be the lustful ones. They don't really want you to be too much lustful, because you got to understand, women want what they can't have, bro. And that's what most men don't understand. Like, if a woman knows she can bag you, bro, oh my gosh, you're going to lose her. You got to play, like, I ain't going to say, like, play this mind game, but you have to understand that if you give it up too quickly, she's not going to respect you. That's just what it is, bro. And that's for women too. If you give it up too quickly without getting to know that person, they're not going to really respect you. Okay? You have to get to know people first, bro. Before you just give it all up, get to know them, conversate with them. Like, before you sex with them, just before you hop into the intercourse, get to know them. You know what I'm saying? Like, and the role play is so much better, because you become more obsessed, and this is how you really get your thing going hard. It's by doing role play. You know what I'm saying? Me, the past Jayyduty, I used to just get straight into it. Like, I used to just, look a bitch in her eye, just role play with her. But now it's like I'm conversating with these bitches now. And when you conversate with them, you choose if you want to hit them or not. So it's like, after a conversation, you're like, I don't really want to hit it. You get what I'm saying? Like, because there's nothing really up here. You get what I'm saying? So when you find out that there's nothing really up here, you know it's nothing down there. You know it's like, you know you don't even want to bother it, because when you conversate with them, you become more intellectual, and you become a logical thinker. And then you start visualizing. I promise you, on everything I love, I had 3 females over here since the last, 2 or 3 weeks, my nigga. I promise you, on everything I love, I haven't fucked none of them. Jay, why? Because I conversated with them. And, you know, when you have a conversation with them and you understand that it's nothing up here and you focused on goals and dreams and shit like that, you don't really like care. Like you just don't care for sex anymore. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, lately I've been lustful driven, but then it's like I get turned on and off. You get what I'm saying? Like, I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't do none of that shit. Hell no, I don't play with myself, nigga. I don't watch pornography or anything. But I be like on FaceTime with women here and there, and they be like, you know, we be talking and we be chatting it up. We be flirting and shit like that. That's all we do, just flirt. You get what I'm saying? Like, I love flirting with women. That's just, I love flirting with women. But the more I conversate with them, the more I understand what they actually want and what they value in their life and what I value in my life. You get what I'm saying? Like, bro, I had a whole 10-minute conversation with a girl literally today about entrepreneurship, but she's a baddie. But we still had a conversation about entrepreneurship. She said she'd be like reselling, she'd be doing drop shipping. And I said, I'm a high-ticket seller. And we just had a whole full-blown conversation about like what we do on the side. And we were just like talking. You gotta, bro, get to know these girls. They so fucking cool. Like, women are so cool, bro. Like, when you get to know them, they are legit cool, bro. Like, literally, like they not what you think it is. They not sex objects. They actually humans that should be respected. Okay. Just think about the humiliation rituals that's going around the world. The physical abuse and all this other things. That's because, like, man, we truly look at women as sex objects. So it's like what's going on around the world is kind of crucial. Like, women getting raped, women getting touched on, women getting touched on by older guys. Like, that comes from lustful men. Imagine if men put away their lust and start controlling themselves. Imagine if we had full control over our brain, bro. We have full control of our life and we live the life that we desire. Because the more you keep doing this thing, the more you are literally moving your manifestation away from you. You are literally resisting your manifestation. You like, oh, Jayyduty, I want to manifest these big things. I want to do this, but get out of your fucking lust. Control your shit, bro. Control it. The more you control it, the more you control this. And the more you control your brain, the more you control your life. And when you control your life, you pretty much can manifest anything. You have the controller of your life, but you have to control your lust. When you come across women, it's not all about sex, bro. It should give you the ick when you make it about sex. Hey, beautiful, what you doing? That should give you the ick. It should be like, nah, it's not my bitch. I'm not married with her. So why am I coming off like this? And you come off as desperate. You come off like every other dude. Remember, you're not the only dude that's in that phone, bro. So you got to say something differently. You got to do something differently. And you probably like, well, Jayyduty, like, when I'm texting women, what am I supposed to do that's differently? Stop double texting them. Stop that shit. A lot of dudes is double texting. You gotta play off like this nonchalant dude, bro. You can't be giving a fuck, bro. You care too much, bro. When you stop giving a fuck, this is when they gonna want you more. That's why you gotta have multiple girls in your phone. So while this girl trying to entertain you, you entertaining this girl. And while this girl trying to entertain... Bro, listen, I ain't gonna lie to you, my nigga. Like, if you got dreams, aspirations, just focus on yourself, dog. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, my nigga. Like, I was just focused on women, but I'm like, wait, hold on, Jay. What did I learn out of focusing on women? And this is the idea I came up with. So I'm learning something out of women at the end of the day. Fellas, when you start coming across women, you will learn from them. And the more you learn from them, the more you attract them. Because this is where you're going to get better. I'm never going to hit up a girl like this again. What did I say to her? Let me go back to it. What did I say? I said some lustful shit, bro. And I did it because I was just too much in my lust. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, I said, hello, pretty. I should have just said hello. Well, hi, somebody got manners. I like that already. That's what she said. She said, I said, laughing out loud, what you doing? She said, just laying in bed, can't sleep. What about you? I said, let me lay with you. And I'm just laying down. She said, whoa, slow down there, buddy. We just met. And we had a whole ass conversation about something else. And I was like, wait, hold on, Jay. This is an actual human that's behind this fucking screen. This is not no sex toy, bro. And she looked bad. Look at her. And I ain't gonna lie to you, my nigga. She wanted to get to know me afterwards. She looked bad. Hold on, let me show y'all. Damn, how the hell do I... And then there was another girl who wanted me. Pretty much, bro, I ain't gonna lie, pretty much, she was lusting over me. But that's because I wasn't that much lustful. You see, women, they want what they can't have, bro. But yeah, it's this one right here. This bitch, bro, she's so cold, bro. She pretty much was like sliding up on me, trying to get to know me and shit. Look, hey there. This one just texted me that. She 40 years old. She said, hey there. You know, just like, now, you see how she just said, hey there? Bro, I should show y'all right now, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I should show y'all right now. Hold on. I think I can't even text because I got to pay for some shit. Yeah, I can't even, I got to pay for some shit. And I'm not about to pay on a date and that, bro. That shit dead. But yeah, like, y'all see, like, if I texted her this, right? If I would have been like, hey, pretty, hey, gorgeous, she probably would have responded. She probably would have been like, shit, just laying down, chilling. And if I would have responded with, shit, let me come lay up with you, she probably would have got turned off already. Like, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, bro, when you come across women, try to get to know them, bro. Just conversate with them. Be different. Don't be scared to be different, bro. And that's what I'm about to do for the rest of my life, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't care about being lustful. Just like Charleston White said. Charleston White said, no, I don't come off as a dude that's lustful. I like to actually get to know a girl. And then we can start by doing that. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, that's how it is, fellas. Like, if you want to have intercourse with a woman, stop being lustful and let her come to you. Literally. That's literally how it is, man. That's literally what I did in my last relationship too. Like, nah, she was just easy. I ain't gonna lie. She was just quite easy. Every woman is easy though. Like, to me it is. Like, every girl is easy. Like, you see, like, I'll be having girls hitting me up on a day-to-day basis. Like, they just be so fucking easy, bro. Like, I don't really struggle with women. Like, I never had a problem hitting women up. Or I never had a problem, like, with women not wanting me. Women they always gonna want a nigga, bro. Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.